Hi, this is Rihanna from Three Door Complex. Um, I had a point coming into this. Not quite sure what it was now. Um, well, this sucks. What did I want to talk about? There was a hair on my mouth. Anyways, yes, hi, this is Rihanna from Three Door Complex. Ooh, deja vu. I already said that. I don't remember. Don't you hate that when you just forget stuff? It's like, ah, God, I've got a point. Now, what is it? I'm very confused right now. I don't know what I was going to say. Um, hmm. Okay, we'll go with the first topic that comes to mind. Fate. We'll go with fate, destiny. Um, your own path being created for you. You have no say in what happens. You do certain things for a reason. Do you believe in that? Do you think that it actually happens? Do you think that something controls us, that we make certain decisions for a reason? Or do you think that there's no such thing as fate, or that we create our own fate? Um, Let me think. Do you think you could change your own fate? Like, if you suddenly had an epiphany and you just wanted to change your fate, do you think you could? Or do you think that you would be stuck with who you are and you would have to suffer the consequences and wait until, I don't know, that would bring in reincarnation into this, and we don't want to get into that because that brings up religion, and religion's a touchy topic. So, yeah, what are your thoughts about, um, what was I talking about? Oh, fate, destiny, that stuff. Whew. I can tell my allergies are getting to me. Anyways, this is Rihanna signing off. Bye!